I am so excited to be doing the Easter decor today. You guys, I've got this fabulous project. This is a bunny from Hobby Lobby. It originally, I left the bottom unpainted. I just painted this because I wanted to get to it. So I left the bottom unpainted just so you would see. See this dark on the bottom? This bunny was like chippy and dark like that all over it. Okay, so I wanted her to be all white. So I painted her with just the Waverly white chalk paint. Okay, I got 6 crosses out of this napkin. So I'm gonna just cut one of these crosses out because we're only gonna use one. So we're gonna make the cross work. And that's what I was thinking. Maybe we could put some of the birds or butterflies or something around it. So you see how easily that tears when and it's okay. These edges are okay. They're gonna melt right into that white paint. So see how that edge is kind of feathered? Now I'm going to take my water pen. I got my water pen at Hobby Lobby. I love the flowers on the bunny's ears idea, but I think I might want to do the same flowers as on the cross on the bunny's ears. Okay, so I'm getting my Mod Podge. I think that's really the best place for it.
They're loving that.
Look guys, this is just, I love that. It's soft, it's pretty, I love that.
So.
Okay, I am gonna get my water pen. And do you see this butterfly? I think I wanna incorporate this butterfly and just the little bit of writing.
Oh, Hollis says, I've been going around singing your song. My husband gave me a strange look. It's probably the Bling Bling song.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
Bling Bling Ding Ding.
It's pretty catchy.
It's an earworm. Once it's in there, you can't get rid of it.
It is. Okay, so I'm going to place this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, look guys. So see how that is? I think I'm gonna bring a little bit of that wording around like. Okay, so now I'm putting a little Mod Podge right here and I'm gonna start my napkin. One more thing to Mod Podge, or 2 more things because he's got 2 ears. So I'm going to take this center part of the cross and I'm going to Mod Podge it in. Look at the inside of the ears.
Yeah, they're really liking them.
We're not going to add a flower here because I'm going to show you why. Good. Okay, you guys, Totally Dazzled has the most amazing bling wrap. If you look at that sparkle. Today, we're going to use this around the necklace, okay? So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to use some
Sheila?
hot glue. Okay, so we put that around the top of her crown too. Guys, look at this crown. This fits perfectly right there. Okay. I'm going to put a touch of E6000. You don't have to put a whole ton of it on there. And that's going to be my permanent adhesive. I'm also going to put a little bit of, I'm going to put my E6000 right there, and right there. Now, when I put this on there, I'm going to put it on with my hot glue. Okay, I have this little tiny piece of bling. We're gonna clip off the button part of that. Okay, I'm gonna put a little hot glue.
It's so much fun.
Look, y'all. Look at this. We've got to, let's put a little pink on her nose. We're just going to dab a pink on her nose. Little pink nose. We're going to give her a little blue eyes. Oh. Okay, look. You guys. Okay, here we go. We're gonna add a little diamond dust. Look at her eyes. She's got a little eyelash on.
Claire.
I have diamond dust, guys. I love diamond dust, and I love to use my Totally Dazzled and diamond dust together because it just adds more bling, and I love the bling. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna diamond dust the inside of the ears. So here's what we've got, guys. We've got Totally Dazzled. We've got diamond dusted tail, diamond dust on the napkin parts only. Okay. We've got Totally Dazzled around the neck, a beautiful little neck piece. She's got her eyelashes and that gorgeous Totally Dazzled to top her off with the diamond dust flowered ears. So guys, this was so much fun to make.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.